Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing good. And now in this video I'm going to talk about appraisal process and TCS. Be two types of appraisals. First one is the final anniversary appraisal and the second one is project end appraisal. And first let's see about the final anniversary appraisal in TCS. And this final anniversary appraisal is the first pay hike that you receive during your employment at TCS. And this happens exactly after 1 year from your joining of the company. For that, first you need to get your role tagged, and then I forgot to say that TCS is providing you a portal called Speed. There you can initiate the track and see the details of your appraisal. And you can access this Speed portal from your Ultimatics. Otherwise, you can install the application for this Speed from your UX apps. It will be available in UX apps, so that from there you can track your appraisal process. And when you go to the Speed portal from your Ultimatics or from your application, then there you can see your manager, reviewer and HR names, and you can check those names, and if they are correct then you can initiate the appraisal. If they are not correct then you can edit there. You can talk to your supervisor or manager and then edit all the names, then initiate the appraisal. And after initiating this appraisal process, you can ask your manager to set the goals in goal sheet. If your manager told you to set the goals yourself, then you can set yourself. Otherwise, he will set. That totally depends on your project and your project manager. And based on your performance on that goals, they will give you the continuous feedback. Then you can improve accordingly. And finally, at the end of your anniversary appraisal, based on your annual performance, you will get the rating out of 5, and based on that rating you will get the hike. So the one who got rating 5 get the most hike, which ranges between 13 to 15% in most cases. And then comes to the rating 4, the employees whose hike ranges between 10 to 12%. While the 3 rating, which is the most common rating the most of the employees will get, can expect the hike of 8 to 10%. And comes to the lowest rating, that is 1 and 2, mostly nobody will get this rating, there will be less hike. So this is how the hikes will be calculated based on your rating. And guys, what I say for watching the video. If you feel the video useful for you, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more information.